This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode in the LinkedIn app. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE, but these steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. The first thing we'll have to do is open the LinkedIn app. I'll tap on it. Then you need to tap on your profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then you have to click on Settings. And then we'll tap on Account Preferences. And then right down here, Dark Mode. Choose how your device settings are selected between dark and light mode. We'll tap on that. And then just toggle on dark mode. And now the LinkedIn app is in dark mode. Thanks for watching.